the check-in, check-out process next, and we're going to come in here to a checkout secret. It's our demo secret, and look at this. We have a checkout option here presented to us. So we're going to take a look at what is behind the door. So we're going to come in there and check it out, and we can see all the details with our secret. Now that we checked it out, we have this now checked out for 30 minutes here. It's now down to 29 minutes. This could be 3 hours, 6 hours a day. It's configurable. And so it's going to provide this couple options here with our checkout. So obviously, when we check it out, it's isolating the secret directly to us. This provides a one-to-one relationship for the audit report and the like. So next up here, what we can do is let's take a look at the password, because when we check this back in, it's going to rotate this nice complex password that is set by secret server. So let's do this. So we're going to come over here. And we are either it can be checked in manually or automatically. We're going to check it in manually in this particular demo. So we're going to click here, check in. We see that the password ends in SYT. So we're going to check it back in. We're going to watch that password rotate here. So we're showing two things here with this particular demo. We're showing the checkout process and how that isolates to the user, much like checking out a library book. And then we're also going to see the checkout process and how it rotates the password. So now we will see that the password is rotated and it ends in K and then C. So we're going to come over here. We're going to take a look at the audit log as well. And then we're going to see that all the various activities of this particular credential and how we manage it are displayed here within the audit log. This also can be downloaded to a immutable. All this is immutable. The audit process is. We can download this to a CSV file as well. So that concludes this particular demo. Thank you for watching.